In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the human heart, which is the pumping organ of the circulatory system. First of all, what is heart? Heart is a hollow muscular organ which, by contracting rhythmically, keeps up the circulation of the blood. You can see in the diagram the structure of heart. Where is the heart located? It is located in chest between the two lungs and is surrounded by a tough two-layered sac called pericardium. Structure of heart. As you can see in the diagram, there are four chambers. Upper chambers are right atrium and left atrium, and the lower chambers are left ventricle and the right ventricle. Heart is divided into two portions by interventricular septum. The one with yellow color is the muscular part of the interventricular septum, and the red colored portion is membranous part of the interventricular septum. There are four types of valves present in heart. They are tricuspid, mitral, aortic and pulmonary. Blood vessels of the heart. Arteries include aorta, pulmonary artery, and veins include superior vena cava, inferior vena cava and pulmonary vein. Heart walls are composed of cardiac muscle fibers, connective tissue and tiny blood vessels. This is structure of cardiac muscle fiber. Outermost covering is epimysium, beneath that there is perimysium, and then is the muscle fiber. Some interesting facts about heart. A normal resting heart rate for adults ranges from 60 to 100 beats a minute and 1 lakh times per day. Heart can beat even if it is separated from the body because it has its own electrical impulse. Average weight of heart in males 300 grams and in females is 250 grams. Size of heart is roughly 12 into 9 cm, little larger than a fist. How the heart works. The function of heart. It is to pump blood around the body to keep us alive. As you can see in the diagram, oxygen-rich blood, that is oxygenated blood or red blood, enters the heart from the lungs and goes out to the body. Oxygen-poor blood or deoxygenated blood enters the heart from the body and goes out to the lungs. Cardiac cycle is a process that takes place during the completion of one heartbeat. Venous return to the right atrium. Then the venous flow arrives in the right ventricle. Venous blood is sent in the lungs via the pulmonary artery. After oxygenation in the lung, the blood, red blood, returns to the left atrium. Red blood or oxygenated blood arrives in the left ventricle. Red blood is sent in the arteries to the tissue. Diastole. Ventricles relaxed, blood fills up in the heart. Systole. Ventricles they contract and blood pumped into the arteries. Diastole phase. SA node which starts the cardiac contraction contracts, causing atrial contraction. Blood flows into the atrium, valves open, blood flows into the ventricles and semilunar valves closed. Semilunar valves comprises of aortic valve and pulmonary valve. Systole phase. The ventricles contract, atrioventricular valves, the tricuspid and mitral valves, they close, semilunar valves, they open up, blood flows and to the pulmonary artery or aorta. This is all about human heart. Thank you.